In this lesson, I'm going to show you how you use a compass and straight edge to construct the midpoint of a given line segment. In this case, we've got a line segment XY. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use the set of instructions that we've got to create and construct the midpoint. Take our compass. Again, this is the sharp end of the compass, and this is the end that has the pencil on it. We're going to take the sharp end, we're going to put it on point X, and we're going to open the compass so that its width is somewhere between about halfway from X to Y, which would be about here maybe, to all the way to X to Y, which would be about there. We want to be somewhere between those two extremes. So let's open it to about this. That way it will work best. You have to be at least half of the way, but not quite all the way. Put our sharp point on X like this, and now let's draw a very, let me make sure my sharp point is on X. Draw a very broad arc, like such, above the line, and then draw a very broad arc, like such, below the line. You want to make it as broad as possible to make sure we can capture the intersection. Now, you don't change the width of your compass, you keep it the same width, but now you put the sharp end of the compass on point Y. Okay, now, using the same degree of opening, you make another broad pencil stroke like this, noticing that the two are going to cross. It's very important that they cross somewhere, and you're going to do that above the line and as well below the line. So you make sure that there's a place where they both cross. I want to make this a little bit darker where they cross so you'll be able to see it. Now I'm done with that part. Now I'm going to take the 2 points where these arcs cross, one point here, I'm going to call this one A, label it point A, and then I'm going to take the point where the arcs cross below the line, label it point B. And the last step now is to take a straight edge, and I'm just going to use a straight edge that's part of my protractor like this, and I'm going to join point A to point B, which I'm creating therefore line segment AB. And the very last step is to label the intersection of line segment XY and line segment AB, and we'll call that point M, and this is the midpoint.